Here we've got the brand new TAG Heuer Connected Modular 45 unboxing. It's just arrived in the office, came out 2 days ago, all new. Let's see what's inside. Another box in here with aluminium plating, and then you've got 2 booklets in here as well, instructions and manual. Alright, here we have the model we've got here is the titanium on black rubber, which you can have a closer look now. Now the TAG Heuer Connected is a partnership with Intel, which you can see in there. And you can also see now that it's 50 meters waterproof, which is a great evolution of this watch. Now, what we also like here is the modular part. So there's a little eject button there. Press that. Let me see if I can get this off. And the strap comes away. Same happens on that side. We can get it back in. It's a little bit tricky to get it back in. There we go. It's back on. Got the Monaco on today. Let's get rid of this. Adjust the strap. Straps can be a bit hard because they're rubber to begin with. Let's give this a go. And also this model isn't charged, so we'll show you that at a later date. Now, inside the box, as you can see here, 3 parts. You've got the base, the cord, and a cleaning cloth. Let's take a quick look at the base. There you go. And then the USB cord plugs into that. It also comes with an additional wall charger, which is that. There you have it, the new TAG Heuer Connected 45.